Class Music Entertainment.
Yo, X-Days, man on the beat.
Hitman Psycho angibhali ngiyagqilaza ngidlale ngiyakinyana ngithusi ngiyagilana ngithuki ngiyathukana ngichuzi ngiyagumana ngiluzi ngiyagxobana ngibuzi ngishaya kuqala ngitheli angichitha umdolo free angiqedi fight ayipheli. Yeah, they ask me who's the best, why they talking with the best. I give them what they ask, I'm leading who think is the beast. Don't put me in your list, I'm number one in double nine. Angiphuza ngibhema ngidakelwa ama-beats okwamthinayo. I'm always harsh ungangirashi mangibhala ama-lines. Uthola i-brush mawuyigrush phalazi into ongayazi. Ngibadonsa ama-eyelash when we smash lapha emjondolo. The day I take an L isegumbini ngiyomenza njalo. Nama-lines aqojeme, they always ready to jump. Linda ama-rap angele vele bawohlama bonke. Abangisabayo bangiyeke nebeef ngiyaqeda yonke. Even selling Android bayangisaba kuko kuwe game.
Dlalo mabrata gijinya istrati ngibajaha kuphidlika iklasi ngibadrabha kuphidlika umgwaqo ngibathatha didisipare mayipapa brika mawuthatha ama-chance silezi nje ongekuyithinte mazizwa insimbi kumasayfe sijika ijive ibe ngawo mohlele esitrongweni ungawo mafike thina kumawo batshela kekho sangathinta thina sidlule kumnyama ngayicisha kudala ngakhathala ukuloku engidlala amavanga ngistrati thila dihayi mabedisana bengizama vele ngitshile kanjalo bawumlilwana nje ovuthayo ngekushise kangako amaphupha ama ngina-give up kumele ngidlile kanjalo irap ngiyayithanda but espani kumele ngile kanjalo awaphela amandlami bebe cathi kuyadlala kanti abazi bavusa ushaka wabaqeda kanjalo akasekho nje ngami mawubheka njapha mangami khona thi ukhona ngithola amakhono uyokhola
ngiyangishohla ngibe poet ngifuna i-concept ngicela ukushaya ividiyo ku-hitman ngikhanda i-content sabafana siqine ngemuva phambili foreskin siyingwele thina uchawe kuphela impondo as far as I'm content sinswem sonke i-rap aliqalaza left and right ngathi kubuka i-ping pong UN hard phalaza script sedeal wayisayine peace job usayisobo ngizima kwenza i-beef boy ithi ngikhohlwe kuthina inkomo ikenga ngo-beach boy icherry yami ikhaladi wagcina kusawuzodwa wayishela lala phansi uhlulwa isingisi skill ngasi-absorb kusayiforce ngiza kumina ngitshengisa ngisayisosha kwakumnandi ngishutha nentombi yakho isithombe wasikropha ngibaka icherry nentwana engokoqofu nama-grasshopper isibhuni zosazi ngenkani mangithi warning basopa kwibhithi ngikhipha i-hit harmony snake sale drum yodwa now I'm feeling this shit ngathi straight talk sako jam rock